Well, let's cross our fingers and hope we see some mountain goats. Good morning. It's 6:10. I'm all packed up and ready to go. Had a really nice sleep right by the wood stove in there. It was actually a little too warm when I first got to bed. But now I'm all good. I'm all dry. The weather is looking not too bad. Some broken up clouds. So hopefully we don't get rained on today. We've got about 360 kilometers to go to just south of Whitehorse to an area where I want to hopefully get a hike in. So we should get there by 9 or 10 o'clock, and that should be early enough. Well, let's hit the road. About an hour and a half or so outside of Whitehorse, but I'll be heading south for a bit to get to that hike. We've got some really nice weather. I've been freezing on my ride here. It's still pretty early, but the sun's up, so I'm happy it ain't raining. Let's get back on the road. Looks like I've found the trail for Mount White, and I'm just in the parking lot and saw another couple of hikers over there, so confirm that I'm on the right path. So I'm just going to get changed up and we'll hit the trail. So when I woke up this morning, yeah, it was probably just below 10 degrees, and now it's between probably around 15 degrees. So you're probably wondering how I stay warm. Well, I don't. I've never been warm on the bike in this weather, but just to show you, I've got my riding jacket, which has a liner in it, so basically like a winter coat. I got the fancy buff around my neck that I got from whale watching. That's helped keep my neck warm, so I'd like that. A fleecy sweater. And 2 layers, a t-shirt and a long sleeve shirt. Freezing. I'm just changing into my hiking shirt. And for pants, I've got my rain pants on and my riding pants and just a pair of shorts underneath, and I can go with long johns if I need to, and I'm still not warm. All right, it's just after 10:30 and we're about to start the hike up to Mount White. Let's get to it. I'm gonna hike that's not steep and grueling. Straight up. Relentlessly steep. Sometimes you follow the yellow brick road, and sometimes you follow the faded orange cable. Follow the orange cable. Follow the orange cable. I can see the top. At least that part of it looks flat to to get there. There's a mountain goat. It's far away. I'm gonna zoom in when I edit. Hopefully I'll be able to see something and not just a white blob. I'll get as close as I can. That was as close as I got. As soon as they saw me, they took off. The Mount White Summit. About an hour and a half. Wasn't too bad, fairly quick. Top. That way looks like some rain. So, and it's a breeze. So won't be hanging out up here too long. Steep grind down. That's basically why I do this. This kind of a view. To be able to just run down steep stuff like this, like a mountain goat. But not anymore. And we're back. Let's get changed up and head on into Whitehorse.